It is considered the most deadly drink in the world. It can end your life in less than 45 minutes. Yes, this drink is very dangerous for you and it can cause serious side effects for your health in general. Ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about the soda drinks. Unfortunately, a lot of people around the world drink soda drinks every day, without even thinking about the side effects. Can I ask you a simple question? Do you really know how bad is soda for your health? Many people know that sugary drinks are not good for their health, but still, this doesn't change the fact that people in America consume an average of 57 gallons of soda per person. More than $75 billion worth of soda is still being purchased every year, leading to an increased risk of diabetes, obesity, tooth decay, heart disease, and more. Yes, you can trust me on that. When you drink a can of cola, you will experience the following side effects. 10 minutes. 10 teaspoons of sugar will hit your system, which is 100% of your recommended daily intake. 20 minutes. Your blood sugar spikes, causing an insulin burst. Your liver responds to this by turning any sugar it can get its hands on into fat. 40 minutes. Caffeine absorption is complete. Your pupils dilate, your blood pressure rises. As a response, your liver dumps more sugar into your bloodstream. The adenosine receptors in your brain are now blocked, preventing drowsiness. 45 minutes. Your body ups your dopamine production, stimulating the pleasure centers of your brain. Note: according to the experts, this is physically the same way heroin works.